it's Pioneer from Payne's Place, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got from Dollar General. I had $20, and this is what I got. So I got two of these Real Littles, Real Brands, Real Cute Shopkin minis. I might need scissors, but I don't have scissors. And then I got a LOL surprise ball, because we gotta bring back the LOLs. I have not unboxed these in a really long time. Yeah. Okay. I don't know which one to start with. I have 3 to unbox. I know that's not a lot, but it's a lot for me. Stay over there. So, I think I'm gonna open up this Real Littles. I have actually quite of them. There's some over there on my dresser. And I'm just taking this off, if I can, because it's like really hard. Okay, this feels like really weird. Okay, let's just rip it open. I might get some duplicates here. I got thick fluffy Eggo. It's chocolate, and then I got, oh, there's the list, and then I got some popsicles. I have 2 popsicles, but they're both like different colors. So maybe I'll get the orange one, because I have the red and the purple one already. So maybe I will get the whatever it's called, the orange popsicle. Sorry, I wasn't thinking. As normal. Okay, I can seriously not open this. Oh, I opened it. I got it. Okay, so right here we have the shopping list. We're not going to look at that because that's boring. And then there's more plastic. I don't really have scissors at this time. And I'm too lazy to go grab the scissors. Okay, yeah, I need scissors, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I got my scissors. So let's just cut this open. It's not cutting, and these are like really good scissors. Okay, we opened it. I think it's purple. Yep, I got a purple one. So I got a duplicate, but that's fine. It's beautiful. Let's put back in here and put that with my collection. Okay, now we have the Eggo. It's chocolate. I should have showed you the packaging, but I didn't. Okay, it was easier to rip it open, so just rip it. Okay, I should put that in my trash can. I'm also too lazy. Even though it's right in front of me, I'm too lazy. Yeah, that's not cutting. Yeah, this is not opening. So I'm just gonna... I'll see you when I'm done opening this. I finally got it open. It took me like 2 seconds when I turned it off. But yeah, I finally got it open. Here's the packaging. Let's open and cut. My room smells so good because I have this candle. I don't know why I'm talking about candles now, but it smells so good. Ah! By the way, these are not eatable. I have no idea why I just said that. Because they look so real. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Look how cute that is. Okay, that is really cute. Okay, yeah. I love its face. Okay. put that with my collection. Something new for my collection. Put that with the trash pile. Now we have this. You also can use water, but I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to be wasting water on some plastic to disappear. Ow, that hurts. Wait, I really want that. Wait, I think I got that. Wait, no, I didn't. I saw something on the package here. I'll show you in a minute when I'm done getting all of this off. Oh, I almost put that in my trash. I have to put it in the trash pile. See, you see that right there? This one, I really want that. Oh, no. I thought I saw cereal for a minute. Ugh. Oh, this is hard to get out. Okay, I'm going to try this one. Oh, it came out completely. Okay. Let's just get them out. Okay. Put that with the trash. So, here they are, both right here. This is what that one looks. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, I don't know what that word says. Yeah. Five hours later. Okay. Oh, I gotta open. I just noticed. Okay, this is actually like really hard to open. Okay, there you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. I already showed you that one. Okay. Boom. I wonder what it looks like. I see its little face. Oh, wait. I have to show you this. It's food. I don't know what the word says, but yeah. Whew. Got it. Wait. Oh. Okay, this is really cool. Okay, I actually love that. That is beautiful. Okay. Wait, where did I put? Oh, yeah, it's right here. Sorry, I'm blind. Okay, yeah, that's like really pretty. But that also was my pile. Oh, one of them fell. This one right here fell. This one. Some of them don't have anything in it because I lose them. But almost fell. But that's because I lose things often. And another one fell. It looks like the one that we unboxed. But I don't know because I have like 50 of these. Okay, I was about to sneeze. Okay, first let me throw away all this trash in my trash can because I don't want to mess in my room. Oh yeah, we still have one more of these to open. I forgot, I am blind. I thought it was trash for a minute. Okay. I'm saving the biggest for last. It just rolled to me. I got one of these. Die. Threw it in the trash can. Now I can't open this. Okay, there we go. Let's open this. Oh, wait. Package. Right there. Ooh, I see a spoon. Oh, it's like noodles. Wait. Yeah, yeah, that's mac and cheese. I love mac and cheese. I love the color of the bowl. It's so pretty. Okay. So now, for all you have been waiting for, this big guy. That was not supposed to happen. Neither did this. Oops. Wait, I lost where the chair thing is. Okay, it's right here. And I can't really... Okay. So that was a key. Oh. That's well made. I'm just not going to show you that because there's a hole. And I don't want to ruin the surprise. Okay, actually, just look. Ah! Don't worry, that was just glass. Look at that. That's a big hole. I'm not saying that it's like bad service or anything. It's just like, bruh. Okay. It's a bee and ice. It's be cool. Yep, be cool. Yeah, you can see that, but it says be cool. Okay, my fingernail is literally hurting so much from this. After this video, I am going to go relax and get into some PJs. Because I was about to say I am freezing and I just missed putting my trash in my trash can. So let me just fix that real quick. Okay. Ah! Oh, yeah. We got the stickers. The last zipper. I don't know why they put so much layers on there. Like, you know, all you're doing is waiting for your fun to happen. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's like this. I have not had these for like a really long time, so I don't know what I'm doing. It's like tissue. It's not like that thing that is like, oh, you have to rip it. Oh, it's a water bottle, and right there. You can't see that much, but it's a cat and it says missing. Have you seen meow? That's funny. Okay. I'm pretty sure these are the shoes. Because it's so small. Yeah. Oops. Don't mind me struggling. So these are the shoes right there. Look how cute. Put that with the water bottle. Then the clothes. I think you can get like a boy or a girl. Oh, it's a boy. I was hoping for a boy because I don't have many boy ones. Just put that back on. I wonder what the doll's gonna look like. This video is really long, but yeah, I don't care. So, this is the clothes right here. Try not to put my finger in the way. Look how cute. Okay, let's sit that down and open. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, this we don't need. This I really don't need, so I'm just gonna throw that away. This I'm going to keep. So let's open this. This is his accessory. I'm pretty sure. I think it's glasses because I feel it. Yep, it's glasses. There's the glasses. Throw away trash. Okay, look at that. This is all wrinkled up. Oh, look at him. That is a doll. Oh, I love his hair. It's red and all his stuff is like blue and then red hair. That's cool. So I'm gonna see you when I get him all dressed. Here he is right here. Look how good he looks all dressed up. Look at his fancy shoes, his outfit, his glasses, and his hair. Oh, and we can't forget about his little water bottle. Drink up, drink your milk. So yeah, that's the doll. I don't know his name. I'm gonna call you Bob. I'm joking. But first, I'm gonna sit him down where he's supposed to be sitting. I'm going to put his thing just like this. Getting it all ready so we can eat his little pizza. Put his cup there. And look how good. He looks great. He's eating some pizza. And well, guys, that's going to be it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay home. Peace. Subscribe. Bye.